Meet Paul. He's a new team leader and has not been in the role long. He has been tasked with improving performance in his team, and this means making some changes to the processes they use. The change could be significant, and it is important Paul gets it right, so we're going to help him. Paul's team are not hitting their targets. Their targets have increased while their processes have stayed the same. Paul feels if improvements are going to be made, then it's time for a change. To make sure change is the right course of action, and so he can communicate his decision effectively to his team, what should Paul do first? Make your selection. This is great advice. Paul needs to sit and consider where his team are now, where they want to be in the future, and how they're going to get there. From this example, we can see that before bringing up change with your team or with key stakeholders, such as your manager and other people who have interest or influence over the change you want to make, we should take time to consider why we want to make the change in the first place. What are the benefits and what are the possible negative impacts of change? To do this, we first need to consider where we are right now. What is our team's current performance? What resources do we have at our disposal? What feedback is the team currently getting? And if applicable, what are competitors in the market doing? Once you know where you are now, and you know where you want to be in the future, you can plan how you're going to get there. With your help, Paul made the right decision. Because Paul took the time to consider all the reasons for change, he has a clear understanding of where his team need to go and the potential positive and negative impacts of changing his team's processes.